Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. It seems like everyone I know keeps getting sick right now, and so you can never be too careful. I want to show you these Clorox wipes that can help to disinfect your space. So these are the CloroxPro Disinfectant wipes. They are a bleach-free and fresh scent formula, and I absolutely love these for the convenience and the peace of mind knowing that this is going to kill 99.9% of germs and hopefully help protect you and your family a little bit. So these are great for using at home. Of course, you can use them at the office or at your school or whatever, and they just do an amazing job because they're so simple, convenient, and effective. So it comes with a flip top canister, and there is a roll of wipes in there, and then you just simply pull one out as you need it, and then it easily tears away so that you're ready for the next time you need it. And you just pop that closed to keep the wipes moist, and these wipes are great. So they come pre-moistened with the cleaning solution, and they are the perfect size to be able to just run over surfaces or frequently touched areas. And I like too that they have a little bit of like a ripple design, so it actually can like catch grime and grease and dirt and stuff that's there and just cleans it away. So these are a great option to keep on hand if you are looking to disinfect your space, keep those germs at bay. I would definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.